Hey guys, welcome to this another video from QCure. Today we are going to see how we can set a specific page to be open once we launch our Chrome browser. And we'll see how we can set multiple pages to be open once we launch or start up our Chrome browser. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay guys, now we are here on computer screen and we'll see how we can set a specific page to be open once we launch our Chrome browser. It's pretty simple. We can do from Chrome setting. I'll show you how we can do that. So for that one, just go to your Chrome browser and here on top right corner you can see these three vertical dot. Click here and you will find this setting option. Click on setting option. On left side you can see multiple option. You have to click on startup link. Click here and now you can see multiple options here. By default it's set open the new tab page. It means once you launch your Chrome browser, it will open new tab page, right? This is our current behavior. Now it's going to change. I am going to add new specific page to be open. Okay, for that one we have to choose this option, open a specific page or setup pages. Click here and now you can see this option, add a new page. Click here and add your specific page you want to open. I am going to add my website hugecure.com and done. We are done with this setting. Let's see how it works. For that one, let me quit this browser and relaunch. Now you can see it open website hugecure.com, which I set on startup, right? So this is how we can do setting our web pages to be open once we launch our Chrome browser. Another thing I would like to mention here, we can add multiple pages to once we launch our Chrome browser. For that one, same setting, we have to go on setting, go to startup again, and here you can find add new pages. We can add multiple pages to be open. So I am going to add suppose facebook.com. Okay, add. Let me close it, quit and relaunch our Chrome browser. Now you can see it open hugecure.com and it open facebook.com. So that's how we can set a specific page or multiple pages to be open once we launch our Chrome browser.